Hey, my name's Carleton from Mr. Electric of Gastonia. Here today we'll be installing a Tesla charger plug. With the rise of electric vehicles nowadays, being able to charge your vehicle at home is a lot more convenient than having to go to a charging station. All right, we got everything done over here today. We got the Tesla plug installed. This might seem like a simple job to some people, but it is a more complicated, complex job. It requires experience because it's high voltage. Electric vehicle is quite an investment for it to be wired wrong. If it's wired incorrectly, it can mess up your car itself. Something like this definitely requires a licensed electrician.